Hello, good morning. Today I would like to teach you all about narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Try to understand what is direct speech. Narrating the actual word spoken by a person without any change is called direct speech. किसी की कही हुई बात लफ्ज ब लफ्ज बगैर किसी तब्दीली के बयान करने को हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहते हैं. The direct speech is always mentioned, is always written under the inverted comma. Inverted comma के अंदर जो जुमला लिखा होता है हम उसे डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहते हैं, जो कि कहने वाली की लफ्ज ब लफ्ज बात होता है बगैर किसी तब्दीली के. उसके पहले का पहला जुमला he said, suppose he said I am busy now. He said it is reporting speech जो बगैर कॉमा के होता है. The first sentence without the inverted comma, it is reporting speech. And the next sentence, I am busy now, it is written under the inverted comma, it is reporting speech. Right? Now, how to change the reported speech into, how to change the direct speech into indirect. How to change? He said, listen my sentence, he said, I am busy now. He said, I am busy now, it is direct. Now, indirect, he said that he was busy then. He said he was busy then. That he was busy then. What change here? He said, replace the comma between the two sentences and write conjunction that. He said that. I am busy now. So change the pronoun I into he. He was busy. Now is changing to then. He said that he was busy then. Here in this sentence, he said I am busy now. It is present tense. I am busy now, but we have to change into past tense because the reporting speech is in past tense. So I am busy now should be changed into past tense, and I pronoun change into he. He is busy and now is changed into then. He was busy then. Right? Now, what is a reporting verb? The verb in the reported speech is called reporting verb. It is said in this sentence. I am busy. And the verb which is the verb in the reported speech is called reported verb. Clear? This is the rule. Now, I would like to teach you just some rules. Rule number 1. If the reporting verb is in present tense, then the chain will be as follows. Now you followed how to change. If the reporting verb is in present tense, he says, I do my work. He says, I do my work. He says it is reporting verb, it is in present tense, then there will be no change in the direct speech. But there will be no change in tense. Only there will be no change in tense, right? He says, I do my work. He says that he does his work. Present indefinite. Now come to present continuous. He says, I am doing my work. He says he is doing his work. My work is changed into his work. Now come to present perfect. He says, I have done my work. He says that he has done his work. Now present perfect continuous. He says, I have been doing my work. It is indirect. It is direct speech. He says, I have been doing my work. Indirect. He says that he has been doing his work. Okay? Now, listen me. If the reporting speech is in present tense, right? It is all about if the reporting speech is in present tense. The next tense, he says, I did my work. He says, I did my work. He says that he did his work. Right? He says, next, the past continues. He says, I was doing my work. He says that he was doing his work. Right? Then past perfect. He says, I have done my work. He says that I had done my work. Past perfect. He said that he had done his work. Now come to past perfect continued. He says, I had been doing my work. He says that he had been doing his work. Now the next. He says, future now, I will do my work. He says that he will do his work. Next, future continues. He says, I will be doing my work. He says that he will be doing his work. Right? The next, he says, future perfect. He says, I will have done my work. He says that he will have done his work. Now future perfect continues. He says, I shall have been doing my work. It is direct speech. He says, I will have been doing my work. Indirect speech, he says that he will have been doing his work. Okay? Now, you must have to learn properly the changes of pronoun, changes of places. Okay? Just I am giving you some text about change. You can read it very properly and you can get by heart what are the change takes place when you are going to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay? Thank you very much.